Hello, in this video I'm going to show a game I'm working on with a working title, Bots and Cars. For this game I'm using the Drivable Car Basic Pack 3D. This was one of the asset packs that was free for a month. The first thing I wanted to do is to import my bot from my other game and have it working in this game. So I'll show you that I got that working. So that's the bot from my other game. And it's working correct. It's not attacking this player because it's only programmed to attack the player character from the other game. But I can change that later and make it attack this character if I want. Now I'm trying to have the car hit the bot and have the bot die. So on BP base car, I added this code here, and it calls it from here. And it works, but it doesn't really work the way I want it to. I'll show you how it works. So when you hit the bot dies, but the bot it doesn't move when you hit it, so it doesn't look very realistic. I wanted the bot to move when you run into it, so my idea was to simulate physics. So on the bot, capsule component, change this to simulate physics. And that makes the bot act strange. When you bump into it, it does move, but it's not working the way I want it to, so I'm going to have to do some more experiments before I can get this to work.